To pay your Guitar Center credit card, you can follow these simple steps. First, you need to know that Guitar Center credit cards are issued by Synchrony Bank. So payments will be made to Synchrony Bank. You can pay your Guitar Center credit card online by going to the Synchrony Bank website and enrolling in their online payment system. You will need to provide your account number, social security number, and other personal details to verify your identity. Once you have enrolled, you can log into your account and make a payment using your checking account, savings account, or debit card. Alternatively, you can also pay your Guitar Center credit card by phone by calling the Synchrony Bank customer service number. You will need to provide your account number and other personal details to verify your identity. And then you can make a payment using your checking account, savings account, or debit card. You can also pay your Guitar Center credit card by mail by sending a check or money order to Synchrony Bank. Make sure to include your account number on the check or money order so that the payment can be applied to your account correctly. Another option is to pay your Guitar Center credit card in person at a Guitar Center store. You can make a payment using cash, check, or debit card, and the payment will be applied to your account immediately. It is also important to note that you can set up automatic payments for your Guitar Center credit card. This way, you can ensure that your payments are made on time every month, and you can avoid late fees and interest charges. In addition to making payments, it is also important to keep track of your account activity and balance. You can do this by logging into your account online or by contacting Synchrony Bank customer service. By keeping track of your account activity and balance, you can ensure that you are making timely payments and avoiding any potential issues with your account. Overall, paying your Guitar Center credit card is a simple and straightforward process. By following these steps and keeping track of your account activity and balance, you can ensure that you are making timely payments and getting the most out of your credit card.